Whenever I buy a meme coin, it always dumps. But when I go on X, it seems that everyone is turning $100 investments into millions. And if you look at their portfolio, it's like they don't miss. Everything they buy turns to gold. But I don't see that happening for regular people like you and me. So it got me thinking, is there something more to this meme coin investment game than just buy and sell? I did some research, and in this video, I'll give you some behind the scenes of who actually makes the biggest money with meme coins, how they are doing it, and scams you should be aware of. And first of all, let's look on chain at the most recent popular meme coins that made incredible gains, and to do that we will go on Dex Screener. So I found this meme coin called Fungi, and one good thing that Dex Screener has is that you can check the best traders for any certain coin. So if we click top holders, we can see who made the most money per wallet trading this coin, and we can see there's a wallet who made $145,000 from only investing $1,700 in this Fungi coin. And another good thing that Dex Screener has, you can check when they sold and when they bought the coins. Let's go on hourly chart, and we can see that this wallet bought all the coins right after the launch of the Fungi meme coin, and he sold almost at the top, basically holding the coin for 3 hours. So that's an insanely wonderful trade, doing almost 100x in 3 hours. But I have my suspicions about it, because if we check when the wallet bought the coin, it's right after the launch when there wasn't a big volatility or anything coming into this meme coin. And considering how many new coins are launching daily and how many of them are scams, I would say betting almost $2,000 on a fresh meme coin is a risky play, unless you know something that most people don't. And that might be the case, but let's find more of these awesome traders and analyze their trades. And out of curiosity, let's check more meme coins. I found this meme coin that is constantly popping up on my X feed non-stop. Everyone is talking about it for some reason, and the meme coin is called Cat in a Dog's World. I have it open on my Dex Screener, and if we click top traders, and we can see some red flags right away, such as there are some wallets who have big amount of token, but you can see they never bought it, they only sold. And in this case, we can see these two wallets, they never bought the token, but they sold and made each more than $2 million. So how is that possible? So it means either it's developers, other wallets, and they just send their token to many different wallets, or they sniped tokens before the launch, basically making it another insider call. Let me explain how it works, and believe me, it's pretty common thing among meme coin influencers and developers. So what happens is, let's say someone wants to launch their own token, which isn't hard to do at all, and I'll show you how it's done later. But let's say to have your token reach millions of market cap, you will need influencers, you will need people to talk about it and spread awareness. But the problem is, you don't want to pay tens of thousands from your own pocket to influencers. So what you do, you create a meme coin, add and burn liquidity. So for regular people, it will look safe to buy and sell your token because you burned all your liquidity. So assumingly, as a developer, you don't have any more tokens where you can dump on your investors. That sounds nice, but that's not what actually is happening. So what's happening is, just before the launch, usually 5 to 10 minutes before you launch your token, you share your token address with influencers so they could buy your token before the launch, securing the best price of the token before public starts buying and influencers starts talking about them. So basically, if you are able to buy the pre-launch of the token, it makes impossible to lose trade, and in most cases, those people are those lucky traders who make millions out of $100 investments with meme coins. Luckily for everyone, blockchain is an open source, so you can always check if there's anything sketchy going on with any tokens and be aware of it. And as I said before, creating a meme coin in this stage of blockchain is super easy. You don't need to hire any developers, pay thousands for it, or learn how to code. There are websites like Tokenera where you go insert all the information about your token, such as name, symbol, decimals. You can add the image and description description about your meme coin, and you can launch it in less than 4 minutes. And the good thing is that it only costs you 0.5 solana, so that's like $75 to create your own meme coin. Then you add liquidity to token and make it tradable for everyone. The whole process takes less than 15 minutes to launch your token and make it so anyone could buy and sell it. And then, you just grow your community, do marketing, and you have $1 million market cap token. And it's funny because it's not a rocket science at all, but over time, meme coin creators got more sophisticated on how they can make money. And here are the most common scams you should be aware of when you're investing in a meme coin. So let's talk about the first potential scam. Let's say you create a token, make a website, Telegram groups, and everything that is needed to make your meme coin project successful. Then you go to add liquidity to your token. You do that, but you never burn your liquidity tokens. So you have them just sitting in your wallet. So when people start buying your token and you see price increasing, you remove the liquidity from your token, basically making it untradeable so nobody could sell it. And that way you rug pull your investors. But fortunately for investors, there is a way to check if tokens liquidity is locked. So what you do, you just go on DEX Screener. When you check the liquidity of the coin, you see that green lock and it says total locked liquidity. So basically what it shows is that liquidity for this token is locked and burned. So you can feel in some ways safer to invest in this meme coin. Another scam that happens with meme coins is someone creates, let's say, 1 million supply of their token. So the next thing is they go to add liquidity to their token and only use 10% of their supply to add the liquidity. What happens next? When people start buying the token and price is increasing, they have 90% of the supply sitting in their wallet, ready to dump on the investors, making the price drop to all-time lows and steal money from people who bought the coin. And another common phrase for this scam is pump and dump. And I could go on and on about the ways how people scam with meme coins, but I'm not saying all the meme coins are the scam. Actually, meme coins are one of the best things that could happen to chains because it brings insane amount of users to a new chains. As an example, Base chain reached its all-time high in volume just because of the meme coins popping up on a Base chain. So there are some benefits to meme coins, but it doesn't mean you shouldn't be careful buying them and investing more than you are afraid to lose. And I'll share the last potential scam that could happen with meme coins. To make it more simple to explain, we'll go back on Tokenera because on that website, when you create a token, you have an option to revoke freeze authority right here. So what it does basically, you revoke the authority to freeze your tokens in other wallets. As an example, when someone buys your token, you can freeze their authority to sell your token. So now everyone can just buy but never sell your token, and the price would go up and never down. And in the end, that's another scam that meme coin founders or creators could pull up on the investors. And if I can be honest, crypto is a PvP zone. Everyone is for themselves and looking to make money. You don't want to buy into the idea that you will be given handouts and someone else will make money for you, because all you need to do to stay ahead of the most people and to make money in crypto is to constantly educate yourself on a new narratives, on crypto scams, and overall how the blockchain works. And over time, you just get better at the game and start making more money. So I hope you learned something new in this video. I understand that meme coins could be a quick way to get rich, but in the end, it's just another form of gambling. Most money is made by meme coin creators and not investors. And if you are a meme coin trader, then you should never risk more than you are willing to lose. Well, unless you have some inside information, then you're good to go. You know that saying, don't hate the player, hate the game? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.